Hey world, this is Kura and my cameraman isn't worth telling who he is. This is our first guide on the DS. Today I'm going to teach you how to disassemble and assemble back the bottom half of your DS Lite shell. What you'll need is a 00 screwdriver, a tri-wing screwdriver which can open up Nintendo products, the DS of course, and something flat that could open up these rubber bits. Start off with using your 00 screwdriver to open up the battery module. When you get to your battery, use your nails to open up the battery by pulling it out from this part. You should see 2 screws. Use your 00 screwdriver again to take these 2 out. Then get your tri-wing screwdriver, which are used on Nintendo products, to open up this part. Remove your slot 2 device, remove your slot 1 device, remove your stylus, and get your flat screwdriver to remove these rubber bits. Then get your tri-wing screwdriver to open up these 2 bits. Then get your 00 screwdriver to open up and last of all, get your tri-wing screwdriver and open up this part here. Then your DS should be easy to remove the bottom half. Start off at the top half. Then use your nails to move along to loosen up the shell. When you get up to this part here, it should be dodgy, so I'd recommend starting up from everywhere else. Then work your way down to the middle. You should see these rods. Take them out and you should get these springs with the L and R buttons. Take them out. After you've taken them out, remove this screw and take out this Wi-Fi antenna, and you should be able to take out your motherboard. But be careful, because you might actually break some specific cables, so you would rather just lift up a bit. Now it's time to assemble it back. You get your silver rods for your L and R buttons. Put them back in. This is really hard to take out. To put in. It's really easy to remove, but yet it's really hard to put back in.
That's why you need metal tongs.
Now to insert it back in, you see you would actually put one side of the metal into the slots here. It's a really hard process. After you've done that, you move the L and R bones right in position. You do the same for the other side. Insert the rod first. And then insert the spring in. Once they're in, you should also put back in the Wi-Fi connector, the Wi-Fi connector, the Wi-Fi cable, and the screw here back in. Then you would grab your shell. Please be aware that you'll have